Hello my dear madams, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video I will show you the very pretty soft silk material saree with Ganga Jamuna style designs in entire the border with the Bantex fusions and Adbhuddamaina designs in affordable price point. This entire collection you can buy from our website www.vastranand.in and you can explore more than 4,500 plus designs, different categories, different style notes and affordable price point. That's our guarantee. So you can visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can download our application in Android and iOS device. Both devices our applications are live now, so you can download our application. Let's start the video. First product you receive the bangani color combination with a Rama color combination, the very pretty the mango butta in golden zari waves with elegant the small designs of these Kaju Katli patterns in entire the border part. Let me show you the full look of this saree part. This dual tone effect fabrics with a lightweighted premium quality. Here you can see the Rama color combination, the very pretty, the golden zari waves, the rich pallu parts. Here you can see the Rama color combination, rich pallu with the golden zari waves with the Sona Chandi fusions in entire the rich pallu parts with the same contrast color combination, resam thread tassels part. Here you can see the full look of this saree. In entire the body parts you receive the yellow Rama and golden zari Meenakari buttas in entire the body with a pan concept in entire the body with a mango buttis. Here you can see the mango pan buttis in entire the border parts. The same size border you receive the both side of this saree. This saree you received at just rupees 1,450 free shipping. All over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Let me show you the blouse piece. In blouse piece you receive the same contrast Rama color combination, the very pretty the full brocade blouse piece. Our customer care executive number is 8154000063 Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6, and we are providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number. And if you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, and video call service is also available, so must be booked one day before via customer care executive number 8154000063 Monday to Saturday. If you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel our YouTube channel, and must be follow Instagram page Vastranand IND. Daily we are launching 4 to 5 different category, different prices in premium quality products. So must be visit our website and as well as follow our Instagram page Vastranand. And let me show you the last but not the least, the carbon black with once again the sky blue color combination, very pretty color combination, totally different color combination, same style, same designs, only color range are different and same price point. This saree you received at just rupees 1,450 free shipping all over India. Here you can see the sky blue color combination, the rich pallu with a golden zari weaves with elegant the Sona Chandi pan buttas in entire the rich pallu parts. Look at the beauty of this golden zari weaves with the same pallu color combination, resam thread tassels part. Here you can see the black color, black beauty, black color lover. This product is perfect for you with a very pretty the Meenakari detailings entire the body parts with a contrast sky blue color combination, the satin Bantex border in the both side of the saree with the same size of this border. Here, let me show you the blouse piece. In blouse piece you receive the same pallu color combination, the sky blue color combination with a very pretty the golden zari buttas in entire the blouse piece. Vastram Madi Anandam Meri. Buy now at Vastranand.in.